Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on new videos on data science.
To work on any array, it is very important to understand the size and the shape of the array. Based on the requirement, it might be needed to change the shape of the array. Hello friends, in this video, I'll be explaining you on how to work on the array size and shapes. Consider this sample array ARR1. To find the dimension of this array, all that I have to do is give print ARR1 dot endim. So this is going to retrieve the dimension of the array. Here I am seeing the output to be 2, which says it is a 2D array. To get the shape of the array, all that I have to do is give ARR1 dot shape, and this is the output that we get, which is 4,3, which says this ARR1 has 4 rows and 3 columns. If I want to know the number of elements in the array, I can give ARR1 dot size. So it says 12, which means there are 12 elements in this ARR1 array. Suppose I want to change the shape of the array to have 3 rows and 4 columns. So I am giving ARR2 equal to ARR1 dot reshape of 3, 4 because this is the size that I wanted. So in my example, I am going to give 3, 4, meaning the new array ARR2 is going to have 3 rows and 4 columns. If I execute this code, you can see that this is the new array ARR2 generated out of ARR1 by using the reshape function. Let's say I am creating a new array ARR3 which is going to contain 100 values. So when I print that particular array, it is going to display me all the values from 0 to 99, and the dimension of that array says that it is a 1D array. Now I want to create an array out of this array where the values are between 25 and 75. That is, the new array that I am going to create will have the values only between 25 and 75. So to achieve that, I can use the slice operator to create a new array, and that is going to be a subset of the original array. So in this example, I've created a new array which is ARR4, where I'm going to retrieve the values from ARR3 using the slice operator colon, and I'm going to give the starting value as 25 and the ending value to be 76. So when I print this array, it is going to print me all the values between 25 and 75. Let's say I want the values from ARR3 that are greater than 80. So in that case, I can give ARR4 equal to ARR3 of ARR3 greater than 80. So let's see what happens when I print this ARR4. So this ARR4 is going to contain values from 81 till 99. Let's say I want to filter on some condition like even numbers or odd numbers. I can do that as well. I can give ARR4 equal to ARR3 of ARR3 modulus 2 equal to 0. The even numbers in ARR3 will be populated in ARR4. I can also apply other conditions on this ARR3. That is, I want only the even numbers from ARR3 and the value should be less than 20. And this ARR5 should be populated with those values. Similarly, in ARR6, I want the odd numbers from ARR3 which are greater than 80. So I can create a new array out of an existing array by applying conditions like I want the value to be the even number as well as less than 20 or odd numbers which are greater than 80. Let me execute this code for you to understand how the conditions work on arrays. So this is ARR5 containing even numbers less than 20 and this is ARR6 containing odd numbers greater than 80. So having created these two arrays, which are ARR5 and ARR6, say for example, I want to stack them vertically and create a new array out of it. I can do that by giving vstack of ARR5, ARR6, and the values will be populated in ARR7. So this is the output of ARR7, which has the stacked value of ARR5 and ARR6. ARR5 and ARR6 were 1D arrays. The moment I stacked them, it became a 2D array. Similarly, I can do a horizontal stack of ARR5 and ARR6 where it is still going to be retained as a 1D array, but the stacking will happen horizontally. If I want to split the array into 4 equal shaped arrays, then I can give head split of ARR3, 4. So it is going to be 4 different arrays of the same size. Say for example, I have to copy an array altogether to a new array. Then I can use this copy method. So I'll give ARR10 equal to ARR7 dot copy, which is going to copy the structure and the data in it. Hope you have got a clear understanding on how to work on the size and the shape of the ND arrays in NumPy.